2016 Chevy Cruze LT. It's an off-lease vehicle. It's a one owner, clean Carfax. It is an automatic, backup camera, Bluetooth, dual heated seats, Chevy MyLink. It's got your rear cross traffic alert. It's going to have a power seat, remote locks and windows, steering wheel controls, remote start. Poage Chevrolet of Wentzville.